How to make widgets on iPhone. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Want to customize your iPhone home screen with widgets? In today's video, I'll show you how to easily add and customize widgets on your iPhone. So let's get started. First, unlock your iPhone and go to your home screen. Tap and hold an empty space until the apps start wiggling. This is called jiggle mode. Next, tap the plus icon in the top left corner of your screen and browse through the available widgets or use the search bar to find a specific app. Once you find the widget, tap on it to choose the size you want, small, medium or large. And then tap Add Widget to place it on your home screen. After adding a widget, tap and hold it to move it around or tap Edit Widget to make adjustment like changing the calendar view or weather location. You can also resize your widgets by dragging the corner to fit your layout. Once you're happy with the placement, tap down in the top right corner to save your layout. Your home screen is now fully customized with widgets. And that's it. Now you know how to make and customize widgets on your iPhone. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more iPhone tips. Thank you for watching and we will see you again in the next video.